Hello students, now we perform our experiment number 6, thermistor. Measure the temperature using thermistor. The equipments required: thermistor, trainer kit, connecting wires. Thermistor is a heat sensible device whose resistance increase with the temperature. That means we already know the resistor is changed with the temperature, but in case of thermistor the temperature increase, the resistance also change rapidly, very quickly. The time is nanosecond to microsecond. At that time the resistance is increased very rapidly. So this is now we perform how the resistance is increased with temperature by thermistor circuit. Now let's go and use the thermistor trainer kit. Student, this is the temperature measure by thermistor trainer kit. This is the thermometer holder, oven, current display, the trainer kit power on supply. This is the oven on off switch. Now this is the thermometer. We hold this by this holder and connect the wires as per our manual given there. Okay, now we connect it. This connect with this, then the connection from oven. Now connection from this to this minus point. Now this is connected with the ovens. These two terminals is given. One is connected with this and another one is connected with circuited, then connect with this. So, okay, this. Now the circuit is connected fully. Now we give the power to trainer kit. We on this. Okay, this is the current in microampere in normal room temperature. Okay, note down first, this is the normal temperature current in microampere. Now on the switch of oven, we wait to this current in microampere converted goes down to the 280 degree, 280 microampere, 0.280 microampere. Wait some time. Now it's come to 290 degree, 290 ampere. Now we turn off the oven switch. After some time the current and the temperature decreases manually. Now current is slowly decreased with also temperature also decreases slowly. You take the curve, then you plotted the graph between temperature versus current. You note down the temperature as which point, at that point also current. This is our observation. After that we got this. Then we plotted graph. The graph is look like this. Okay student, this is your thermistor trainer kit. By this we measure the temperature. Okay, thank you to listen to me carefully. Thanks.